Embody Harmonics Yoga. This playlist has been a series of suggestions or thoughts to help you develop a home yoga practice. And today, I would like to address a question that I get from new students in one form or another. It doesn't always sound like this, but people often ask, when will I get good? Like, how long does it take to fill in the blank? And I just love this question because it's so ripe with who we are as a culture in America, right? We tend to be very goal-oriented, very results-driven. And the notion that maybe we're entering a practice that has no end can be very mysterious, very hard to wrap the mind around. So first I would say you have to define for yourself what good means. Like, what is it that you're trying to achieve? Are you trying to get a handstand? Are you seeking yoga because you want more peace in your life? Well, okay, what does peace look like? How will you know when you've achieved more peace? So no matter what your goal is, you have to decide what it is for yourself so that you can measure how your efforts are moving you towards that goal or not. And then the hilarious thing is, no matter what that goal is, when you reach it, there's almost always a new goal. As a teacher, whenever you master a pose, I'm just going to give you a harder pose. There's always going to be something to keep us growing, to keep challenging us in this practice. When you do find that sense of inner peace, well, great. Maybe you marinate on that for a week or a month or a year. See if it's sustainable. See if you've really found the ticket for yourself. And then maybe you find that you want to do something creative, right? Peace isn't enough. I want to perform on stage, or I want to do fine art. I want to sculpt, or whatever, your dream might be. The practice, this yoga practice, is not about, let me take that back. It is about goals, right? It is valuable to set a goal, but it's important to practice non-attachment. That's what I was looking for. One of the pillars of this practice is non-attachment. We have a goal, right? We set the intention to move towards that goal, but whether we make it or not, we don't allow that to make us feel good or bad, right? My ability to feel good about myself is not incumbent upon whether I achieve my goal or not. The more potent, the more powerful nuance is that I set a goal in the first place and I oriented towards it and I did something every day to move towards that goal, right? It's the process and the journey that is the more powerful part of this practice than achieving the goal in and of itself. So in response to the question, how long is it going to take? It's no time at all. It's already worked. And it'll take forever because there is no place to get to. It's kind of a paradox. So I hope that makes some kind of sense. Probably doesn't, but that's okay. If you have any questions or if you have a notion of a goal that you would like to achieve through practicing yoga, I'd love to hear about it. Drop it in the comments below. And please do remember to like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. I would love to grow this channel. And so the action that you take to like and subscribe would be a huge benefit to me. And that's it. I think I've got one more video planned for you. So I'll see you in the last one.